Let's add a few more important tags to the head of our document. So the first one we're going to put in is right above the title, but inside of the opening head tag. And that's going to be our meta charset tag. And we're going to use a UTF-8 character set. This is going to display special characters properly in our browser from an online character library. Put our parentheses in all caps, put UTF-8. And then put your closing bracket. Under the title tag, we're going to put our meta viewport tag in. This is going to make sure that our text scales properly in responsive web design so that when we have a narrow viewport, our text stays at a good size on mobile phones and smaller devices. That way it's easier for our viewers to read. So we're going to put in there meta name. Equals viewport. Let's talk about how we'll do the content. So we'll go content. This is how the content's going to display. And that's equals width equals device width. Device dash width. Comma. And then set the initial dash scale to 1. That means 100%. So initial dash scale equals 1. All right, we're good for the viewport meta tag. Then we're going to put our style tags in here. Remember, since this is a unique document, we're not going to use our external style sheet that we're using on the other pages. We're going to write our own CSS that's uniquely responsible for designing a different or out of the ordinary page for the website. So we're going to do our opening style tag. And this is where all our CSS rules and calls will come from. Open it, and then we're going to close it so we know we have both of those. And clean this up just a little bit. And those are just some other important tags we needed to put in the head of our document to be ready for moving on with our design. Save that as our index. And we're not going to look at that in the browser because there's no new content. It'll just still be a blank browser that will see basically our title in the browser Chrome.